But we got actually a new McDonald's toy. Okay. So let's see what we actually got. As last time we got the monster. I was hoping to get Haley, the rare Haley. Let us open this. And then I'll actually get the monster. So I want the banana as well, but I want also Haley. But it's all I only buy one. And please, big the rare Haley. Okay, let's do it. Let's be the rare Haley. This was easy. Please be the rare Haley. Wait a minute. That's Junie. It's not Haley! We got a banana! What's his name again? Junie. And I have also the warty monster, but my cousin, she just take off the tag, and what has the stitches. So you know what to do. No, I don't know what to check. So I'm gonna scan this needle. And also, there's actually also a box. A new box design, and a new shake. A new shake. It's like a grandma shake. There's like, you can get 3 different shakes. The grape, the blueberry, or the I mean grape, cotton candy, or raspberry. I'm gonna get it. And also, you can get this Haley, from the cat, regular, and banana. Junie box. There's Squishmallows box. So I'm gonna get it right here. I actually got the grape, but I already drank it. So guys, I got the grape. It smells like grape. It smells like a grape. It smells like the grape because when I smell it, it smells like a grape. This the smell of the Haley. So that is for today. This is Squishmallows. Hopefully I completed the collection and get the rare Haley. Please, Lord. Oh wait, I can stick. Wait a minute. Can you? I just really want also the cut. Maybe he's a rare as well. Let me know. Is Cam and Haley the rare? Bye guys. See you in the next video. This is actually McFloat account. So, see you guys at the next video. Peace. Woo-hoo.